If you've ever wondered how someone gets water shots like these, then this is the video for you. A few months ago I purchased a 6-inch GoPro dome from eBay for roughly $60 Australian and got to try it out over in Western Australia. In the box it came with a cleaning cloth, protective bag, the dome port, floaty grip, and a trigger attachment, which I've never used on it as it makes it much more bulky to handle and you lose the view of your screen as well. This is how it looks with the trigger, and this is how it looks without it. It's also the way that I've preferred to use it. This first shot of dunking the GoPro Hero 10 into the pool without the dome, it's very hard to line up the waterline as it sits right on top of the lens. But after putting the GoPro into the dome and re-dunking it, you can instantly see a much cleaner image for the half shot as it pushes that waterline away from the lens. Floaty Grip also has the standard GoPro mount on top of it, which means you can run the GoPro without the dome. And with a 1/4-inch screw on the bottom of it, it can also be attached on top of a tripod. With all that said, for $60 I think this is a great bit of kit to add to your GoPro set, especially if you're someone who likes to shoot a lot in the water. And with that, I'll leave you with a handful of shots from our trip in Perth.